Hey guys, what's up? It is Reese. So today I am going to be unboxing my Obsession albums. Obsession was just released yesterday actually in Korea, and I got my package today. So it was only like one day, it took one day just to arrive here at home, and this was the fastest ever that I got my EXO album. So I am so excited to unbox my albums. I can't believe that it just took one day and I am crying. It's finally here. Okay, let us unbox the albums. Actually, nagulat talaga ako kasi it just took one day for my albums to be shipped, and like, wow, nagulat kami pareho ng dad ko since he helped me order it online. So yeah, hoping na makuha ko ng Becky yun, pero any member would do. Like, I love them all and I'll be happy with whatever I get. So yeah, let's start unboxing. Oh my gosh, guys, andito na siya. I see. Oh my gosh, I got EXO. Oh my gosh. I saw that I actually have one version of XXO, and oh my gosh, I don't want to look at the other version yet, so I can be surprised. But first of all, let us see which poster I actually got. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I don't know whose poster I got. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. This is like a photo card thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, whose poster did I get this time? Oh my gosh. Okay, first we have this poster. Oh my gosh. This just means that I got both versions because I'm supposed to have an... Oh my gosh! No joke. Oh my gosh. No joke. Oh my gosh. No, look at your supposed to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got Baekhyun. Oh my gosh. I'm crying. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gano'n na siya. Ayan. I got Baekhyun as my random poster. And now, oh my gosh. Poster pa lang yun. Naiiyak na ako. Kasi like, what are the odds that I'm going to get Baekhyun anyways? So now, let us unbox the albums. Oh my gosh. So, ayun. I recommend K-Town for You kasi sobrang grabe yung packaging nila sa albums. It's too good. Oh my gosh. Did I get both versions? Because with the pre-order now, you can't really choose which version you want. So you have to like, it's random, so you don't know if you're gonna get XXO or like EXO. And oh my gosh, I got both versions. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go with Obsession EXO first. EXO, let's do this. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. This makes me so nervous all the time. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did I? Yes, I did. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous. I don't know kung kanino to. Sino yung photo card inside? I have no idea. So, this is the box. It's like the power of music. Like, may sarili siyang packaging. Oh my gosh. Whoop. So, we got this right here. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Okay, so let us look at the individual photo books. So, we have Junyeon, we have Baekhyun, we have Jongdae, we have Chanyeol, Dong-in, and lastly, of course, Sehun. And so yeah, you have all the individual photo books of each member, and oh my gosh, we have the random folded poster. I don't know whose this is, so let's go. I feel like it's Chen, and I really want Chen, but at the same time, I feel like it's Suho, so let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, I got it! Oh my gosh, it's Jongdae! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I got Jongdae! Can I just say that Jongdae is like one of my favorite EXO members actually? Like, I love them all, but then like Jongdae is like on another level of handsomeness. If you see him live, he is like unreal. Like, he is everyone's bias wrecker. Let us move on with the photo card and the photo slide. I have no idea who this is. I feel like my photo card this comeback is Chen or Kai. I always get Kai. Last comeback, I actually got all of Kai's photo cards, so I'm nervous. Let's see. I feel like it's Kai, but if it's Baekhyun, I will freaking cry because there's this photo card of Baekhyun that I really, really want, and oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my gosh, I got Baekhyun's photo slide. Oh my gosh, I got Baekhyun. Oh my gosh, and oh my gosh, I got Chanyeol. I actually got Chanyeol last comeback also. But oh my gosh, I got Chanyeol. No freaking way. Oh my gosh, I got Chanbaek. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I got Chanbaek. Oh my gosh. I move on to my EXO album. Oh my gosh, let's do this. Oh my gosh, whose will I get? And by the way, this is what it looks like behind. So I'll do like a B-roll of the album. So yeah, let us unbox the album. I am nervous. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I don't know whose will I get. Kanino nga? Ano kaya? I'm nervous. I don't know. Oops. Oh my gosh. I was praying for an EXO version, and I actually got one. I can't believe this. Wow! This is what it looks like. Iba naman yung kulay. Oh my gosh. Ayoko muna tignan yung photo card. Please. Ayoko muna. Guys, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Suho, Baekhyun, Chen, Chanyeol. Oh, it's by age, guys. It's by age. It's by age. Yep, it is by age. So we got all members photo book, and now the folded poster. Feeling ko si Baekhyun for some weird reason. Either Baekhyun or Suho. I don't know. Feeling ko si Oh no, I feel like it's Kai. Ewan ko. Let's see. I feel like it's Baekhyun. Oh my gosh. No way! No freaking way! I got both Jongdae! No way! No way! Oh my gosh! Madadagdagan na naman ang shiny Chen. So I got Chen. Oh my gosh, I always get Chen. So oh my gosh, ito na pala. Bubuksan na po natin ang photo card. Photo card. Feeling ko si Junmyeon. But at the same time, I feel like it's Kai. Photo slide, feeling ko si Sehun. Ito na, Mara. Ito na po. Ay, hindi ko na kaya, besh. Ba't wala? Ba't hindi ko nararamdaman? Ayun. Ito na. on. Oh my gosh. Guys. Ang gwapo. Oh my gosh. I got Kai! Sabi ko sa inyo eh, ayaw talaga ako tigilan ni Kai. I always get Kai. Last comeback, dalawa yung nakuha kong Kai na postcard. And I'm not even complaining because I love Kai. Oh my gosh. Guys. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my Obsession albums, and I am crying right now. Internally, I cannot handle my emotions right now. Oh my gosh, I'm crying deep inside. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And tomorrow I will be going to Chanyeol's cup sleeve event because it was his birthday yesterday. The other day rather. So I am going to be celebrating with my friends. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! So yeah, that was my unboxing of my Obsession albums, and I am crying right now. Internally, I cannot handle my emotions right now. Oh my gosh, I'm crying deep inside. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And tomorrow I will be going to Chanyeol's cup sleeve event because it was his birthday yesterday. The other day rather. So I am going to be celebrating with my friends. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys soon.